I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integration. Search for and select newsletter as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Now search and select an action Pipedrive. Give here the Pipedrive API token, so please visit Pipedrive API token. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose a module. Choose an organization. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Go to the Pipedrive site and go to the People. And you can see that the data came successfully in Pipedrive. Thanks for watching.